Hey friends, today it's all about apples. We are making a beautiful apple bundt cake for the fall. One slice using 1 cup of apple for this entire cake has just 6 total carbs or 3 net. And there are tons of substitutions on my website, sugarfreemom.com. You can make this nut-free. You can also make this apple-free. So let me show you how to make it. Start by spraying a silicone baking bundt pan. Add some apples and cinnamon to a bowl and just stir it up and then set it aside. We are preheating the oven and adding coconut flour and allulose brown sugar sweetener along with baking soda, baking powder, and apple pie spice, a little bit of salt. I am using glucomannan. You can also use xanthan gum. And we're just going to mix the dry ingredients together. And now we're going to add our wet ingredients. I've got sour cream, softened butter, and a little bit of heavy cream. And I also like to add apple pie extract, which I think really enhances the flavor since we're using a very small amount of apples in the cake. I also like to add a little bit of cinnamon liquid stevia. You can feel free to change out the sweeteners. I have a sweetener guide and conversion chart on my website, sugarfreemom.com. You add 1 egg at a time. We start by layering this cake with some apples, then some batter, then the rest of the apples and the rest of the batter. And you just even it off on the top before baking. You can certainly add some nuts if you prefer. My youngest son has a tree nut allergy, so we don't use any at all. Once it's set for about 10 minutes out of the oven, you can remove it to a nice serving plate, and you can actually serve this warm. I've enjoyed it with my family with sugar-free whipped cream. You could try my sugar-free caramel sauce, but they really love it when they have my butter pecan keto ice cream on top. Super delicious, great for the fall. And like I mentioned, you can totally swap out the apples if you prefer. Check sugarfreemom.com for all the substitutions. Enjoy!